If you travel to Changsha, Orange Island is definitely a must-visit. From what I understand, during the holidays, the Orange Island Scenic Area receives over 50,000 visitors daily. The ticket counter is particularly crowded. Row after row of SPON IP intercoms are serving visitors. Even in noisy environments, SPON window intercoms can effectively identify the source of the sound, suppress environmental noise, enhance voice clarity. The product utilizes DSP multi-channel voice technology, effectively prevents feedback and channel interference, addresses the long-standing issues of unclear communication and severe noise and feedback in the scenic area, supports 3 operational modes, adapts to intercom needs in various environments, enhances window service with a more attentive approach. Widely used in bank counters, hospital window reception, station ticket counters, scenic spot ticket counters, and similar locations. SPON Communications, constructing a smart scenic area audio solution, integrating voice communication, intercom, broadcasting, and emergency assistance.